Alright, today we're working on a dehumidifier for a pool room. Taking care of this for a little while. So there's dehumidifier. Basically it's a heat pump. Then I got a boiler coupled up. Got a reheat coil in the supply right there. I do have some floor heat running. So, and actually they put, another contractor put some dye in there. And what I'm finding is right there at the Schrader, you can see it's leaking. So we got to get that core removed. When I showed up here this morning, it was on lockout. So I'm thinking it's got a low charge. But let me get that changed out, get the gauges on it, make sure we got the right charge, and then see what it's doing. So it takes care of this pool room. There's the return. Supplies are up by the skylights. They're ran in precast concrete, and they blow on the windows. You can see the PVC up there. So let me get that core changed out and go from there. And then we'll get the gauges hooked up and start shooting video again. So I got my core remover tool on there right now. And how it works is it hooks up there, take the core out, and as I was pulling it out, there's not much pressure behind it, so I know we're low on charge. So let's see if I got the core. Oh, there's the core. Let me put this on my head so I can see better. So take this core out, put this core in. And we'll slide this thing back in. And tight. I'll take this off of here. So Let me get the gauges hooked up and we'll get this thing turned back on. Okay, now we're back up and running. Subcooling's kind of high. I think I got an overcharge in here. I've had another contractor in here before I started to take care of this thing, and I think it's looking like it's overcharged, and it's got a the TX is out of adjustment, so my subcooling is a little too high. So all I have to do is call the manufacturer. They know their system better than any service tech because they put these things together. So I'll call the manufacturer, try to pick their brain on it. Let's see. Thermostat went bad. Wasn't energizing the fan circuit, so the fan would come off. And it went off on low pressure. Right now I got a system 29 amps. It's running okay, it's cooling, but I don't think it's running the way it should. Like I said, it's probably overcharged. But this is coupled up to a boiler. We got a reheat coil when we need to provide heat. You know, and the dehumidification system in the winter. You know, you're turning on that air conditioner in the winter. That's what a dehumidifier is. And what this does is it provides, you know, it's a reheat coil. That's all it is. So it heats that cool air before it hits the space. And also, you know, if it doesn't need dehumidification, it will just turn on the pump, turn on the reheat coil, and heat the space. Also, that's my floor heat temperature. Got another pump over here and a manifold. There's your manifold. Pump's right there, and that controls the floor heat. So it's been off. It's been 89 degrees in the space for a while, so the floor just absorbs the heat. They're also using this to actually heat the pool. So we got a braze plate heat exchanger, and what happens when we get a call for heat for the pool, turns the pump on, pump starts up, heats one side of the heat exchanger, and then this pool pump down here pumps water up there through the other side of the heat exchanger and heats the sorry about that. Heats the heat exchanger and provides heat to the pool. So it's a nice little setup. Been taking care of this one for a little while now. But actually I need to put a commercial controller on this one. Other than what they have out here is all they have is a thermostat and then humidity control, which I'm going to change everything over to a Honeywell 775 and get a little more accurate space temp. Well, that's it for now. Catch you on the next one.